Morning, YouTube. After picking up this International 460, the previous owner says, stop by sometime. I've got some stuff for you. I've got a comfort cover coming, and he had the actual glass or the windshield for it. So I picked that up. And he says, I got some books for you might be interested in. And so, sure, I grabbed them. And I'm really happy with what I came up with here. Come up with a operator's manual for one thing, an engine manual, actual true blue ribbon service manual for the engine, and then also I'm really happy about this is the blue ribbon service manual for the manual and power steering units on the 460 and 560. I do have a leak, and I looked through this, and I'm pretty confident that I can get that fixed without too much trouble. Some of the actual seals and O-rings and stuff are still available, which is really amazing. This tractor is built in the 60s, between I think 58 and 63, and the some parts are still available. Also, it came up with this IT shop and service. They're a good manual. They're kind of vague, but they cover a lot of tractors. None of them are in mine, but to be honestly truthful with you, the 300 and 350 series tractors will pretty much get me what I need for the transmission end of it. As far as the engine part of it, no, these engines aren't in there, but I do have that with this. So, and another little kind of surprise that was hidden in the books was this here, Super 100 electric fencer a manual. And I kind of forgotten that International did electric fencers, and I'm not sure if he still has an electric fencer or not. It'd be kind of fun. I should ask him if he does, because that'd be kind of a nice little collector deal. I don't know if it's really worth much, but I'm not sure if this one here was a weed burner one or just a quick shock one. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'll have to read up on that a little bit. But there you go. Ended up with 4 service manuals for an operator manual. I should say 3 service manuals and an operator manual. Pretty excited about that. Can't wait to dig through the operator's manual and find out all the things I've been doing wrong throughout the years. So it would have been nice to head that a little earlier, but a lot of this stuff is on Tractor Data, and that is a good website if you ever check it out. Tractor Data, I believe is the name of it, .com or something like that. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and again, have a great Friday. This is when I'm shooting this video, so I really don't care for Black Friday that much. I usually like to stay home, but I do hit our local farm and fleet, which has a few items, and I did run a video on that. So there we go. Thanks. Have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you already haven't. And please leave comments. And I will try and get back and answer them for you. Bye now.